Morning students, now we are going to learn chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. We all are very familiar with the triangle, right? A triangle is a plane figure with three straight sides and three angles. So we can say triangle is made up of what, three sides and three angles. See, in the given triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles, as well as three different sides: line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment AC. Right, so are the three sides, are the three angles. Angles we can already denote with the different ways also. Angle, suppose three angles, so angle BAC, angle ABC and angle AC, yeah, BC A, yeah, AC B, clockwise, yeah, anti-clockwise. So there are different ways by which we can denote angles. Got it? As it is in sides also, AB or BA, BC or CB, AC or CA. So now all of you understood about triangles. Now we are going to learn about its properties. Before that, we'll discuss triangles are already classified on the basis of sides as well as on the basis of angles. On the basis of sides, we have three types of triangles: scalene, isosceles, equilaterals. Now scalene triangles, all the sides are different in the form of what, measurement. All the sides are what, different, having a different measurement. So we can say it is a what, scalene triangle. Now isosceles triangle, in it two sides, out of three sides, two sides are equal. Any two sides are what, equal. So we can say what, it is isosceles triangle. And third, equilateral triangle, right? All the sides are equal. Got it? So once again we'll repeat scalene. So all the sides are different, means in the form of measurement all the sides are having a different measurement. In isosceles two sides are equal, and equilateral all sides are equal. Got it? Now on the basis of angles. Now acute angle triangle, already we have learned about acute angle triangle, obtuse triangle and right triangle. Right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. Now first acute. So out of the given, maybe one is what, acute angle. So we can say it is what, acute angle triangle. Right? Now obtuse. So out of three, one is obtuse. So we can say it's a what, obtuse angle triangle. And right angle, so one is maybe what, right angle. So we can say it is a what, right angle. Got it? Sure. One angle is acute, right? One angle is obtuse and one angle is right angle. Got it? So we can say it is what, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle. Now then after we are going to learn about the medians of a triangle as well as altitudes of a triangle. Now what do you mean of medians? A line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite sides is called a median of a triangle. See here, given triangle ABC, which is the opposite side of it, A, line segment BC. So what, midpoint means what, bisect to the line segment BC, at which point AD. So we can say AD, D is a what, median. What, D is a median. Got it? So in it, D is a median. So now all of you understood what do you mean of median? Joining a vertex, a line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to its midpoint of its opposite side. Which is the opposite side of angle A? The side A, BC, right? So AB and AC. So which is the opposite side? BC, right? Now altitudes of a triangle. A line segment which is drawn perpendicular from a vertex. See, in median bisect to the opposite, right, is known as what? Midpoint. While altitude what? Perpendicular. Means what? 90-degree angle. From a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called the altitude of a triangle. In triangle XYZ, XW, line segment XW is a what? Altitude. So all of you understood about medians and altitude? Sure. Median is what? Midpoint, right? While altitude means what? Perpendicular. So what? 90-degree. Got it? So now let's see the exercise 6.1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of line segment QR. Which is the midpoint? D. Line segment PM is a, here we got it a what? Right angle. So what we can say? What it is? Altitude. PM is a what? Altitude. As it is PD. PD is a what? Median. Right? Line segment PD is a what? Median of triangle PQR. Is QM is equal to MR? QM is equal to MR? No, QM is not equal to MR. Because why? Here already we have altitude, right? So we can say QM is not equal to MR, right? While QD is equal to DR, we can say. Now see the second. Draw a rough sketch for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. In triangle ABC, BE is a what? Median. Median means what? Line segment opposite side is what? Divide in two. Yeah, bisect in two. Right? Now B. In triangle PQR, line segment PQ and line segment PR are altitudes of the triangle. So there are two altitudes. It means What type of triangle it is? Right angle triangle. Got it? PQR. So we can say there are two altitudes, line segment PQ and line segment QR. PQ and QR are the two altitudes. Got it? Sorry, we are asking about PQ and PR. So we have to name with a different way, Q, P, R. So first one is PQ and another is PR are the two altitudes of the triangle. Got it? Now see next question. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. In the exterior of the triangle. Exterior means what? It is lying outside, right? X, Y, Z. Which is the altitude? YL. Exterior, right? So here YL is a what? Exterior altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Got it? Now third example, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Isosceles triangle, it means what? Having the two same side. X, Y, Z. Right? It's a given isosceles triangle, right? These two sides are common, XY and XZ, right? So we can say it is what? Isosceles triangle. Then after what? A diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. See here, line segment XP. So it becomes about altitude as well as what? Median. So line segment XP is a median and altitude. So all of you understood how to do it? Sure? Good. So here our first exercise 6.1 is completed. Next topic about exterior angle of a triangle and its properties we will learn in next period. Okay, bye.